Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to apply for Oyster card for kids. There's different ones for different ages. For example, for age 11 to 15, you can get it for free and it's completely discounted. Okay, so all you need to do, guys, is go ahead and apply, but you need a clear, unaltered, color digital copy of your photo of your child, which needs to be in these formats. Of course, details from your child's valid, machine-readable password to verify the age and identity, a color image of the details page from your child's valid, machine-readable password that is in this format. Okay? Even non-UK passports, you can go ahead and do that. Okay? And also a credit or debit card to pay the £15 administration fee. And once you're able to do that, come here, click on create an Oyster photo card account and go ahead and apply, and they will go ahead and send you an email if they have to reject your photo or password image, and you'll need to upload another one to finish your application. So you can just come here at tfl.gov.uk and sign up. So, hope you found this helpful. Make sure you smash that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions.